Hello guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today we will solve the third question of Leet Code June challenge. The question is two-city scheduling. What we have to do is we have a list of 2n people. What we have to do is we have to divide this list into two equal halves such that each list can travel to one city. Now what we have to do is we have to divide the city in such a way that the cost is minimized. The first index is the cost of traveling to first city and the second index is the cost of traveling to the second city. So what is the approach in the question? So what we have to do is we have to divide this array into two parts such that the n people go to a particular city and n people go to a particular city. So if we find the difference between them, then we can do this easily. Suppose the difference between this both first index is 10, whereas the difference between these both is 80. So the priority is this one. We just have to take this first because the priority is more. So if we sort the list according to the difference, then we will go to the quotient, and we does not require to take absolute value. Suppose in this case we are getting answer to be minus 10, minus 10, 80 and minus 160. Okay, so we have to sort this. So after sorting, what we will get, we have to sort this minus 10, this minus 10, this 80 and this 160. So after sorting, what we will get, 40, 400, 120. Sorry, we will not get 120. After this we will get 30, 40, 10, 20 and then 120. So if we take, so now what we have to do is we have to take starting n values from, so what we have to do is we have to take starting n values, zeroth value from starting n values and first values from the last n values. So this will be our answer. So I explained you the approach, that the approach is we have to sort according to the difference of the cost of the cities, and then starting n cities will be taken from zero index and the cost of last n cities will be taken from the second half of the cost. So in this case the answer will be 40 plus 30 plus 20 plus 20. So it will be coming to be 110. Now let's look at the solution. What is the solution? So now I got the correct answer. So let me explain the solution, what I have done. So what here I have done, in this first line I have sorted the v1 according to difference of them. Now I have taken two variables and the size of n as the size of v1 and a as a answer as 0. Answer as initialized with 0. Now I have iterated over whole the loop. First starting n will be taken for the input. First starting n by 2 I am taking from first index, and last I am taking from 0th index. So this is the simple solution for the question number 3 of Leet Code challenge. Thank you guys. For more such content, like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.